Remove dried sealant from unwanted surfaces by using a layered approach of mechanical removal, targeted solvent softening, and careful surface-specific cleanup. Start by assessing the sealant type and the surface material, because silicone, polyurethane, and acrylic sealants respond differently. For hardened beads on non-porous surfaces, score the sealant with a razor or utility knife at a shallow angle to break the bond, then lift with a plastic putty knife to avoid scratching. Repeat scoring every few inches, rather than forcing a large piece off. For porous or delicate finishes like painted wood or finished concrete, soften older sealant with heat from a hairdryer set to medium at a distance of 4 to 6 inches, and then gently peel with a plastic scraper to reduce surface damage. For fresh or partially cured sealant use, mineral spirits applied sparingly to a cloth to dissolve tacky acrylic or some polyurethane formulas, blotting rather than rubbing to avoid spreading residue. Avoid aggressive solvents such as lacquer, thinner, or methylene chloride on finished concrete, natural stone, or painted surfaces because they can etch or strip finishes. Instead, test solvents on an inconspicuous spot and wait 5 to 10 minutes to check for damage. After bulk removal, clean remaining residue with a mixture of warm water and a few drops of dishwashing liquid, then rinse and dry, and if any staining persists on masonry, use a poultice of baking soda and water applied for a few hours and scraped away gently. Common mistakes are using metal blades or excessive force that gouges the substrate, so trade a metal scraper for a plastic one and take multiple shallow passes rather than one deep pass. Another frequent error is applying strong solvents without spot testing, which can remove paint or dull concrete. Always test in an unseen area for at least 10 minutes and blot to evaluate. People also try to remove fully cured sealant with only solvents, which rarely works and can create toxic fume hazards. So combine gentle mechanical removal with appropriate solvent use in a well-ventilated area and wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like sealant, cleanup, and remediation, and our discussion community helps people share real-world tips and contractor experiences. We help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and enabling conversation between professionals and homeowners.